Alex Tetteh mameka asem kire onye nkwa na Gyimie o enye nkwa na Gyimie ipanifo se waye bia ye wanka se waye bia to aso Gyimie bia ye Alex Tetteh Gyimie no ye obenim se Gyimie fine but the fact say they bia wo Gyimie no eno nkire se onim nyansa ho ya Gyimie na wo Gyimie no na samira ba omia dikuno Dr. Alhaji Mahmood ba omia send your bia openisa kwasa sema na wana makeka no Kwasia sem awona mu awoka no wankasa ete wo sen because me busa won say okwatena ase awoka asa asem no did you thought of it? Did you ask yourself say asma making no say na man for crab feel about me? Sometimes no ya na e lose respect her nkofo eden e wode maye ebusuani nyana sa Alex Tetteh sa akodi kana ebiapon achi a se waboda mo se den yo mintimi kura nkire ene that's why ya san the video fufu bi aba say Dr. Alhaji Mahmood ba o me campaign was starting no last week ya ende na owo west afo wonum baby o say uko uma we yire kodi Dr. Baomia Bas na chi a obedi no. How can you say this? How can you say this, Alex Tetteh? Sometimes you should reason as a normal human being. Sometimes you should reason as a normal human being. Ebusuya, enko tie nsem Alex Tetteh that to your neighbor na wi a. Ya ba kire ya dwen e wo. Ha ye Ghana St0p message so be like na wa share we nso na wa kire wa dwen e wo comment section no emu. Ye nkombra.
Lesson ya stati aba omi stati. MPP fo ewom mpanifo ewom omo eya alagifo omo eye imamfo wa unim se oyire wo MPP mu biala a wo kodi ba omi achi wo baasi nim no ne ho ofa manenko because niema esisi wo during campaign time no empo no obi a ono ankasa de nana ode ba omi abejoin ne campaign a omo ma ne waiver no oba woni na dakora ba omi aso ne ne kodai enti ba omi ade se wo yire kan campaign ni ho ampacho mane ntena fi no ne de no wo kura efe ne nani nso
NPP ni na kasa say no why osono ba ena kasa say no till now panyini bia frɛ no the leadership of the NPP should wake up. They should wake.
All right, it's a wakwa share America assembly show. Ye nyina members of the New Patriotic Party. Ade ba ko e wo se ehunu ne say. Ye den a sam panyifo ya ye kwoto omso abai. Nipa numun. Emba ko na be ye flag bearer. Now share contest na between Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Baomia, the immediate vice president, and the running mates 2024 presidential candidate Emma New Patriotic Party. And after you know, the immediate MP the man St0p Central on our book Kennedy compare with Japan. And we na contest no between. Now Alex Tetteh the man on our book Kennedy compare with Japan. And Alex Tetteh say we your banner or Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Baomia Bas anymore. Or no better. Sometimes one you say what they now can there are something that you Nangasan when you sit down and you say it. The question is who feel listen after saying those things, how do you feel? Do you feel happy? Say what can say nana? And a man for can to those who feel say oh my message can be because everyone is saying it and I feel like also saying something. Master, sometimes there are things that you say, and at the end of the day, the election we said Dr. Mahmood Baomia winia. This is the same thing you guys did in 2024, and you are still doing it. The fact that you are a foolish person doesn't mean you should continue fooling every day. Alex Tetteh, the fact say you are a stupid and useless guy, and you have to do stupid things because we are Kwasia. It is not that say. Everybody knows that you are a fool. Everybody understand. Obianim say we are Gyimie. Yes, Obianim. But don't just say we are Gyimie. Not just every day. You should be fooling. And not just every day. You should be fooling. Now only me bush. Only the essay. One will say Nancy. One more na. Honorable Brian, a champ police spokesperson, a friend of pious. Eba bon tima be can say. Honorable Kennedy Akompue ko Japan 2024 election no ansa no be pia be campaign na Dr. Bawumia ni MPP no o ma no 5 million Ghana cedi it can 50 billion ansa no opie be pemene Honorable Kennedy Akompue ko Japan camp entimi embambe kan bibia fa asem no be kan say ska no or the man as a party sika nye bra champ na saboto musika but that is not true. Now we can say there is another reply if we a year Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia camp aba e de kwama Kennedy Japan camp regarding that scan one some busu menko tie nsem a omoto dwane mbra na wi a da be kire adwen e wo
wo abeje sasem we di kese we completely damp and Paris now
hello Mr. Space one with asema wa wo kan o hwe mom wo Kennedy Japan camp ni nyina se nyansa na munni bio anase se madwen no na anya dwuma obi abeka se wa ma Kennedy Japan wa anka ne kokua mu eno aka se link tape god no ye aye radio so St0p FM sada no obi atie bi awode ama Kennedy Japan no wo si wa abeja sa asem na chi no abodam na papa bo wa ankasa na wo Kennedy Japan no meyi ano na wo defend no woni obi a waje adi no kwa na abodam wa wo gina wo yaso wani kura hu ade sa wo hu hwe no wo si obi abodam waje sa asem dia wa abodam mo sa mama madwen na anya dwuma madwen na nkasa na ewo mutim na anya dwuma anipa na o ye ka asam de kire no wo kan de to no so wan ka span to no so wa kan ade evidence aba a kire ekwan of us all this kind man ni nyina ono Kennedy Japan no to me ma bonti me yi ano wa wo ti wo kwa hwe ba ni wo no obegina so obi obegi sa asem na di ni na wa bodam won za wo nya collect wo say wo nya collect a wo gina wona wo di Bawumia atam no wo si Mavis en kan Bawumia asem no me ka Kennedy Japan asem wo so kan wie na wa start kan Bawumia asem nyansa na nkasa mu ni bi na mo de ti radio no media no so na mo Gyimie mo de ti media so na mo Gyimie sadi Kennedy ka crowd ma mo dinti no kura mo nka ena nkwase asam na mo ka abato aye kwato yi obi electoral commission ababa Bawumia nya 41 no every day mo na mo ye party ni ba ma mo siasa mo ye party ni ba no every day dama no say Bawumia nya 38% on say mo Gyimie nyansa eni mutim odi mu wie na Bawumia wi ni a wo kwase ate sa no ba be obeye dai wo kwase a wo ti wo sa no dia pa na ba be ye ade kwa party mami ma kwa kansie mo kase afima no mo ba nyina ya kwase asem Gyimie ane we ko wi asika ane we ba yesei eye nyansa pa awa asem na wo kan mi nyansa ewom mu nyina mu nya MPP mu ni mo kwan MPP fa so bai enti mu tumi kasa anyhow mu ni mo kwan MPP fa so ba setran enti mu kasa anyhow saka mu ni MPP agoradi aka mu ni MPP ne botaya aka sa Gyimie sam no aka mu ntre media no so nye asia man
yeah me say ntimi woni ama e na wo so catch the nyom makasa asem we de bia se ntimi woni ama e na wo tiwa wo so catch the nje se wo betimi woni ama na wo catch the no en fountain city wo betimi asoa se wo betimi woni ama en fountain de catch the city wo betimi asoa we catch them say Kennedy Japan Akompue ko Japan in the camp no they don't have any message omo dia say let's attack people, let's spoil people. Now the funny thing about this thing they say na ka me hu yin kan beka senya no kre one jiska ba fe die mo se mo je na then party sika obua nya no kre na bu Kennedy Japan you and I know say wo utimu odin. You only care about yourself. You don't care about the new patriotic party, this political party. You don't care about it. You only care about yourself. And you and I know. Unim ba. Sometimes stop behaving as if you don't know. You know. Everything that you are doing, you know. It's not like someone should come and tell you. You know yourself. You know. Say, whatever you are doing out for your own selfish interest. For your own selfish interest. It is not fair, bro. It's not fair. But I don't blame you because you have valuable followers that follows you. and sad number the namna and this is forcing me to Obwa. It is not true. There is no one in that political party that will come and vote for you. I'm telling you the honest facts. So don't be deceiving yourself. What just canon? As now our campaign. Who papa? Who ye papa? Kai. Na. Ebusuya. Yen share video da me stream bra. Na yen kan sem bi fan chira ba your way. Esan se ombua dia enya hase.
And I want to look at it from the angle that whoever has
Mokono no me ensano buru hia. Na fe de maba abe yedede. Honorable Mua, Ujina Parliament now half and half. What is wrong with you, Honorable?
Yes, see, as someone penny pa, nipa na de be anoiding or penny one. Lady, he say, Member of Parliament, Eddie Mawi Jagbawe constituency, Honorable Ahmed Shaibu, Anomon, son of the Abidjan Parliament, Yakasa. We know a very simple. Sister, Pacho, who court seeker. It's answering a Monday, ye sue for defamation. 5 million Ghana cedis. And to prepare one to on Monday be shia, our court. Now be proved be cry, Honorable Ahmed Shiabu, Economonsa, out the Abidjan Parliament, Ebekasai. Peace, shalom, bye bye. Me person me busa Honorable Canadian compare ko Japan. Enti oni amanfo a omotunefo ana. Esan se ne nsem bia woka no. Aya na sometimes me busa say enti man ni oyen PP ni ana say oyen DC ni because I don't understand. What the nsem bia oda to dwa tie.
So nobody, I say nobody can threaten anybody. One more mistake. Now I'm repeating August 26th. Me Allah, I swear to God.